Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew. In today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money as a party planner. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money as a party planner. Now, if you're somebody who likes parties, likes planning parties, then this is a great opportunity for you because it's a simple job to make some money. Now, what is a party planner? Basically, a party planner is the person that gets hired to set up everything for a party, whether it's a birthday party, anniversary, wedding reception, you name it, whatever kind of party you want to have, there's somebody out there who can plan it for you. That saves you time and it makes them a few bucks to do it. For instance, people who are getting married want to have a kick-ass wedding reception, right? Well, maybe the bride and groom do not have the time or want to put in all kinds of time to go out and find a venue, a VFW or AMVITS hall, or a community center or a park or wherever it is they may want to have the event. Then on top of that, they don't feel like going out and scrounging through all the different catering services and getting all the decorations and so forth. That's where party planners come in. Party planners are the ones that find out what they want for the party and then essentially finds out what their budget is and what kind of style party they're going for, and then they do all the necessary work for it. So if it's a wedding planner, for instance, they're going to speak with the bride and groom and know what colors that they want things, if they need to find a cake for them or if they already have one, what kind of venue and how many people that they're going to have, any decorations that they would specifically like to see, what kind of music they like, and so on. Then they would find out what kind of budget they have to work with. So, for instance, if they want to have their wedding reception done and they have a budget of $3,000, then that party planner can go out, find a place that they're going to have the party, all the decorations, a cake if need be, DJ, you name it, and then we'll say, for instance, they can find everything for $2,000. Then that party planner can go back, verify with the couple getting married if it meets their expectations or not, say, okay, well, I've met your budget of $3,000. I can get everything set up right now, yada yada. You're on budget for $3,000. They, in turn, will pay that party planner $3,000. The party planner will then pay everybody for their services that need to be paid, get everything that needs to be done, and be on that $2,000 budget that the party planner arranged on. That's $1,000 profit for the party planner. So I hope this gives you a quick understanding of how you can be a party planner and what kind of things that you could look forward to if you are a party planner and how you can make some money. You can also advertise your party planner business on your social media, on your own website, and other platforms, and be able to get more business that way as well. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down in the comment section below. And who knows, maybe your question will be the topic of one of my videos. If you'd like more information on this, head on over to consultablindguy.com/blog, and you'll be able to find out more information in greater detail, some things you need to consider, tips, tricks, and so on. And I hope it helps you out. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. Until the next time, stay safe, stay warm, have a good evening or day depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.